Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and this is Daman here again doing the another review video about the Connect to Cash. Okay, so this is the name itself. It's clear. Like in these days, everybody wants to earn some cash. Okay, so in this video, a video training which is review video which is just going to be launched tomorrow on May 7 by the Adam Ikubia. He will show you exactly how the shortcut to become the super affiliate status. Okay, so inside I will show you, take you to the members area where the training it shows itself that how the steps exactly to follow to become a super pro affiliate in 30 days. Okay, so exactly in these days the newbies, those are starting the news in the affiliate marketing, they're not getting results. Okay, so the reason he talks about why they're not getting results, so what exactly steps they have to follow to become visible in this market. Okay, so now I will take you first to the members area. Okay, so this is the members area. Okay, so the one thing, if this sound is something interesting to you and you want to become a super affiliate, then just stick with me because I have some custom made bonuses which I spent long time just to create this for you. Okay, which will be free, completely free. Okay, so I will show you the custom made bonuses which I have especially for you. So the bonus number one, I will be giving the free custom made bonuses for those who are picking this Connect to Cash through my link, which is given here below in the YouTube description. So the bonus number one, it is the hack access to the Continuum done for you. So what is this Continuum? Continuum is yeah, is a software which is the Jono software. Jono Armstrong, he released this software, I think it's last year. So it's a software training as well. So it will show how to inside this software shows how to run webinar. Okay, let me quickly show you the. Okay, so this is the software Continuum which shows it how to run the webinar. It comes with the preload high ticket webinar, so you don't have to make anything. Okay, so this software exactly there is in the left hand side, so this tab it exactly show you welcome to the Continuum and the Continuum walkthrough and software access and how to do the setup here. And then the traffic training, if you will click here, then advanced training, advanced targeting, advanced retargeting, Continuum multiple license rights, and the plus again, if you will click this option here, access bonuses, and there is some another again you will be get, if you will click this option here, access bonuses, you will be getting more bonuses. You are getting the vendor bonuses plus my bonuses which I am giving, and plus if you will click here you will get the more access to more bonuses. Okay, so this is a very good Continuum software video training. Okay, so because it has a preloaded high ticket webinar, so you don't have to make anything by yourself. Okay, and the training inside show you how to connect all the dots. So basically the Continuum will do all the work for you. Okay, so and the next bonus number two, which is for $47, this is hack access Jonas 2500 email swipes. Bonus number three for $345, hack find out two high quality traffic source to use with the Connect to Cash. Okay, so in this bonus, inside this bonus, this is the video in which the Jono talks about the basically two basic traffic source which Jono used and which is giving him high conversion and plus giving him extensively good results. Okay, he talks about what is those two traffic system, how to use them. Okay, and then just if you again wants to know what are those, and then just stick with me and you can just get these bonuses or Connect to Cash through the link here. And the bonus number four is Enigma. Enigma itself is a is again access Enigma in first 12 hours only. Enigma itself is this software, okay, is a very powerful software which will show you how you can get more traffic from the Facebook. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so Enigma software here again, this is a Junos product, was released by the Juno Armstrong. So in the left side you can see there will welcome to Enigma, introduction, then here Juno talks about overview and how it works, and how you to use the software tutorial, funneling the traffic, case studies and conclusions. Okay, and again upgrade and access your special bonuses. Here again, you will get this Enigma software, but this is available only in the first 12 hours. Okay, so then you can just access your special bonuses here, so which is very great. Okay, so again the bonus number 5, this is access all vendor bonuses, which I will be showing you what vendor bonuses is available for you. So guys, again this is the whole everything, like this video training which is for the Connect to Cash, and this is the Connect to Cash, and the bonuses which I'm giving you free, those are taking the Connect to Cash by my link. Okay, inside my bonuses there's 2 software and another video training which is talks about the high source of the traffic. Okay, and plus again inside when you will get the link inside there again you can access more bonuses. Okay, so this all everything is for you. The front end price is only $7. So in the $7, this is just not the, this is very tiny fraction price. Okay, in which you will get the step-by-step training and plus the bonuses. Inside the bonus you are getting 2 very powerful software which is done by the Juno Armstrongs. Okay, so this is a very great deal. Okay, so stick with me, and now I will be taking you to the members area, Connect to Cash members area, so where the Adam will show you and give you all the training. Okay, so in the first video here, if you will click, this is a welcome. Here you will just talk about the Connect to Cash intro, like what it is, what's inside. Okay, and how it will work. Okay, then the second, understanding yourself. Okay, so basically as I mentioned in the beginning also, all the new affiliate, okay, they in the beginning they join, they're not getting the results what they supposed to, because they are missing very tiny details. They are not focusing on that, but they are taking another step. So these are the main reason they are not getting the results which they supposed to be. Okay, so the Connect to Cash, it talks about understanding yourself, understanding your goals. Okay, and developing your character, how to be humoristic, how to be funny, how to be interesting, how to start a conversion. Okay, the warm up, inside the warm up lead, how to connect with more people, researching your target, how to be visible to others, creating values, and make your move. Okay, so make your moves means don't be stuck in the one place only, so take it tiny steps every time. So inside the make your move, he talks about making your product, prepare to ask, and make your move. Okay, sorry, excuse me guys. Yeah, okay, just one second. Okay, so then this is, let's take you to the sales page. So this is the sales page here. So in the sales page, he will show you how he made in 10,000 in 30 days. Okay, so this is the video. Just go through the video and go from stone cold newbie to super affiliate hero using this method. So again, in the training he will talk about learn how to become super affiliate in record breaking time, increase your net worth as high as you want it go, learn how to be funny and interesting and much more, and just go through with this all. And this training is very newbie friendly. Okay, I want to show you sorry guys, just sorry. Okay, again in this training I want to show you the bonuses. Okay. Hmm. Okay, just stay with me. Okay, so is a bonuses. Hi, so I will, okay, so when you will get this training, then you will get the access separately to this members area, the bonuses. So these all are the bonuses. So how to get traffic. This is one free ebook here, and Fugo breakout, crazy traffic explosion. Okay, so these are all the bonuses which is from the members from the vendor side. Okay, you will get when you will access have the connect to cache. So again, let's talk about the price. Okay, the front end price for this connect to cache is $7. So inside this $7 you will access the powerful connect to cache softwares and training module, and upsell one which is for $15 but down to $10. So upsell one you will get 10 done for you scripts, 20 done for you graphics, 50 done for you value videos, and 100 done for you product ideas. Okay, upsell number 2, 1 hour masterclass with Adam Ikubia for $87, which is down to 43. And upsell number 3, white label rights to the course. Okay, so again, just go through this all the all what's inside with the info. And again, there's some key interested benefit which why you might interested to getting. He talks about how to become a super affiliate, increase your net worth, learn how to become a funny and charmistic. Unique method never seen before, done for your scripts, product and videos, newbie friendly, and no technical knowledge needed. Okay, and the step-by-step plan, and again there is 100% free methods and no additional money required. Okay, so again if you click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, again I have it. So guys, you are getting the amazing deal in just $7. You are getting the training, step-by-step training how to become a super pro affiliate. Okay, you're getting amazing bonuses from my side which has 2 software and the another tutorial training, and then the plus the vendor bonuses. Okay, so this is very cool. So again, that's all. That was my review, and thank you so much for watching my review. And if you have any questions, just please leave the question below in the comment section. I will get back to you. And if you like this video, please click the like button and comment and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much guys for watching my review video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.